Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2016 Harley Davidson Street Glide. This denim colored cruiser has 16,900 miles on it roughly and is in incredible condition. Got a couple of minor scuffs on it here and there, but other than that, nice, sharp, clean looking bike. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Tires are in good shape. Should have plenty of miles left on those. Comes with the highway bars. It's got a dark tinted windscreen. Footboards for the driver. Screaming Eagle pipes. Hard side luggage. It also has the rear mounting hardware on it as well. Back tire as well, looks like it's in pretty good shape. Should have plenty of miles left on that. Service will make sure that it is. And again, footboards for the driver. This bike also comes with a heel toe shifter and our highway bars. So here's one of the bigger scuffs, scratches on it on the front fender. We've got a few on the saddlebag lid as well. Alright. 16,835 is what's on it. This 2016 Harley Davidson Street Glide will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this Harley from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, more accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.